If you want to put your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus into recovery mode, so in this video I will show you the exact step-by-step process on how to do that. So let's get started. First of all, just use the charging cable of your iPhone. Now just connect one end of your charging cable to your laptop. Now you do not need to do anything on your laptop. Just connect one end of your charging cable to your laptop and connect the other end of your charging cable to your iPhone. And after you do that, now a notification will pop up on your iPhone screen. Just select Trust. Now since I have connected my iPhone before to my laptop, the notification is not appearing on the screen. But in your case, if it is your first time, just select Trust on the screen. And after you do that, then press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the recovery mode shows up. And once you see the recovery mode on the screen, just release the side button. And this is how you can put your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus into recovery mode. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.